Welcome. If you're looking to allow call logs access for Telegram on your phone, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will help you enable the necessary permissions so Telegram can access your call logs when needed. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps, App Management, or sometimes Applications depending on your device. Tap to open it. Here, you'll find a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now scroll through the list until you find Telegram. Tap on Telegram to open its specific app settings. Inside the Telegram app settings, look for the option called Permissions. Tap on Permissions to see all the features Telegram can access on your device. You'll see a list of permissions such as camera, contacts, microphone, and more. Find call logs in the list. If it's currently set to denied or not allowed, tap on Call Logs. A pop-up will appear with permission options. Select Allow to grant Telegram access to your call logs. Once you've done this, Telegram will be able to read your call log information as needed for its features, such as automatic code entry during login or managing call history. That's it. You've successfully enabled call logs access for Telegram. If you ever want to change this setting, simply revisit the permissions section and adjust the access as you prefer. Remember, granting call log access can help Telegram streamline certain features, but you're always in control and can revoke this permission at any time through your phone's settings. Stay informed about what each app can access and enjoy a smoother Telegram experience. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.